We're in May, and the highlight of the social calendar is the Chelsea Flower Show. And I love going to the Chelsea Flower Show because I love to see what new ideas and what new trends are coming forward that will soon be coming into our own gardens. I love seeing the color palettes that the designers are working with, the textures, the forms, the new materials. Sustainability is the new message in design, and we should all really be working towards making our gardens sustainable. I love seeing what the designers are doing at Chelsea to introduce new ideas of sustainability that we, as the visitors, can take back into our own gardens. What materials can we use? How can we create less waste? And I also love seeing, and it's a big thing in my books, that how can you make surfaces permeable, allowing surface water to enter back into the ground. And the other thing that I absolutely love doing is going and speaking to all the specialist nursery men and women. The amount of knowledge and experience that they have, we can take that away with us and use that in our own gardens. So if you're off to Chelsea this year, have an amazing time and just make sure that you glean all of that wonderful information that you can take away and use in your own gardens.